Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage, part 2 of my video. My little friend is having a fit again. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, part 2 of my video. Got the cars cleaned out earlier today, so right now I'm going to be focusing on front bumpers. It's a little bit cooler this evening, not much. I've been out here since 7:30 this morning. But anyway, everything's looking really good. If you guys missed the first part of this video, I will tag it in the end of this one so you can tune in and catch it. Floors on both cars are phenomenal. I'll be taking very detailed photos to include in my for sale videos. I have people asking. So anyway, that's that. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. So now we're going to move up onto the body. I got my red Scotch-Brite pads here. It kind of just evens everything out and takes off years of oxidation, things like that. There's not a lot of shine, obviously, to be able to save it. I believe it's primer on the car. I can't say for sure, but as you can see, it goes through to some spots that are bare metal that have since surface rusted over. But the bumper, I'm very happy with how it came out. The spots of surface rust that were on the top right there, those came right off with SOS pads. I figured that they would. So now we're just going to move on to just cleaning and kind of evening out the body and the paint. Okay guys, there's the finished product on the 54. So the Scotch-Brite pad, like I said, just kind of evens out the body, takes everything down to one kind of neutralized tone. Gets some of the marks out, the scuffs. You guys will notice in some areas, like right there, there's sticky stuff from old duct tape all over this car. And it's driving me absolutely crazy. I'm gonna have to take a whole nother couple hours probably and go around it and get all the duct tape and packing tape, or whatever you want to call it, off this car. The older gentleman had tarps on them, so I'm guessing that that was probably like at the bottom, because you see it on all the bottom molding to hold the tarps on, probably in like wind or something. But it really stuck, so I'm probably gonna have to get like some goo off or goo be gone or whatever that stuff is called to actually get it off the car, because it's making me crazy. So on the rear trunk, we have that little bit right there that's already been cut out, needs a patch for rust. that little spot right there, and that little spot right there. As I've said numerous times, it'll all be documented in the videos when I go to list the cars. But just showing you guys the finished product after washing it. Scotch-Briting, SOSing, whatever you want to call it. I think it looks pretty good. We're going to let her dry off. Alright guys, that was my first wash video on the 54. Now tune in for part 3 to wash this beast right now. But at least it's a nice cool evening. We have beautiful skies above us, so it's not too bad to be out here right now. Alright guys, tune in again. See you next time.